cat here. I want to just talk to you about what this TIMSHEL, the power link, is about. The truth of who we really are, each and every one of us. And it's not at all who they said we were. It's not at all who we said, yes, you're right, that's who I am. It's not that at all. And it's not any of your stories, except for the one where you are so much more powerful than you ever dreamed you are. And when you stand in your core power, which is love, and it's the love that is who you are. And when you can identify with that, and when you can be able to come from that heart space of being in your power, no matter what story we feel caught in at the moment. And when you can access that truth of who you really are, when that's your core identity, and when you have proven it to yourself on every level, then, wow, that need to withhold love, man, that just can't compete. Because now you know the way out. Trust, love now.